Tired of hefty fees and confusing exchange rates when sending or receiving money internationally in Kenya? We've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into how to use Wise, formerly TransferWise, to make your international money transfers in Kenya smooth, fast, and incredibly affordable. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to the Wise website or download the Wise app from your app store. You'll need to create an account. This is a straightforward process. Just enter your email address and create a secure password. Next, Wise needs to verify your identity for security. This usually involves uploading a photo of your national ID or passport. Don't worry. Wise prioritizes your security, and this step ensures legitimate transactions. Now, let's talk about why Wise is a game-changer for Kenyans, unlike traditional banks that often add hidden markups to their exchange rates. Wise uses the real mid-market rate, A circumflex euros. The one you see on Google. This means you get more money for your shillings and send more shillings without losing out. And then, there are the fees. Wise is transparent about its low, upfront fees. You'll see exactly what you're paying before you confirm any transaction, which is a far cry from many banks that charge multiple hidden fees, making your transfer surprisingly expensive. Ready to send? Open the Wise app and tap Send Money. Select the currency you're sending from, for example, USD, and the currency you want to receive in, which is Kenyan shillings, KES. Enter the amount you wish to send. Wise will instantly show you the exact amount the recipient will get in Kenyan shillings, including their fair exchange rate and the low fee. Now, you can choose how to send. You can send directly to a Kenyan bank account, or even more conveniently, directly to a mobile money wallet like M-Pesa. This is a huge advantage for many in Kenya. Enter the recipient's bank account details or their M-Pesa number. Double-check these details carefully. Finally, select your preferred payment method to fund the transfer. A circumflex euros. This could be a bank transfer from your account or using a debit card. A circumflex euros, and confirm the transaction. That's it. In just a few minutes, your money will be on its way, arriving faster and cheaper than ever before. Whether you're sending money home or receiving funds from abroad, Wise offers a superior solution for international money transfers in Kenya. Start saving on fees and enjoy seamless global transactions today.